Dear my friends, today I want to show you how to make kimchi spam fried rice. This is the one that I normally make when I feel lazy but still wanted to eat something delicious. There are so many flavors in this food: tangy, sweet, salty, and meaty. I guarantee you will love this food. You will need half spam. Slice that into small cube pieces. Gain 280 grams of kimchi and cut into small size as well. In a small bowl, put half tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of red pepper paste. Mix them until fully combined. Now we are going to scatter 1 tablespoon of cooking oil all over the white cooked rice. Mix well to coat the rice with the oil. Place some roasted crispy seaweed into a plastic bag and crush it with your hand. We will sprinkle it onto the fried rice later. Set aside. Put the spam into a large pan without oil and stir fry it for 2 minutes on high heat. Add in the kimchi and stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Combine the kimchi with the spam. Add in the cooked rice along with the sauce. Stir fry all together until the rice absorbs all the flavors. Just before removing it from the heat, stir it 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Fry eggs to your taste. Serve the deliciously fried rice on your plate. And the fried egg. And finally garnish it with your crushed crispy seaweed. Thank you so much for watching my videos today. If you liked my video, please give me thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and new videos. We see you soon again. Bye! 맛있게 드세요.